This short video explains how to manipulate the standard default link that is displayed in any artwork's detail mode into an individual email function. You can use and edit the standard contact or request link from the detail mode of the artworks in a few ways. You can replace it and let it point to any external website, as shown here in our FAQs. Your own, for example. Or you can create a guest book, adding the property to generate an email to any address you decide, with an individual predetermined text. Such a guestbook function, as shown in our demo exhibition, will let you receive direct comments from your guests. For the creation, like in our example, you need a simple mail-to generator like this one, an email address as the recipient, and an artwork to carry the information, which can be 2D or 3D, a GLB sculpture in our case, shaped like a book. First, call up the mail-to link. Second, fill in the recipient address and the default text for these emails. Third, copy the generated code. In the artwork created to carry the function, fill in all the usual information in the first tab that you want displayed, also the size, which prevents default or unwanted scaling. You can use the field in the third tab to override these dimensions if necessary, and to point out the comment function here explicitly. If you wanted to have a sculptural book form, load the sculpture file in the fourth tab. Then, in your artwork upload, go to the second tab and fill in the copied code from the generator into our form. Edit the label text and maybe encourage your guests to drop you a line with a few words in the text field. Activate Unlisted to keep it out of the artwork catalog and general searches. Save the artwork with the green button and test the function in the visitor preview after placing the artwork in an exhibition. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Please make sure to check out all of our how-to tutorials. And in case you can't find what you're looking for, you can always contact us via the contact form on our website. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any new tutorials.